Clean the waist and abdomen with a towel. Measure its size. Apply gel evenly to the treated part. Attention, please remove all metal objects from the body, otherwise, unexpected situations may occur, affecting the curative effect. Those with implanted metal stents, a contraceptive ring is not included, cannot use it. Launch the machine. Select Household, click Waist Slimming, and press the Start button to operate it. Parameters are default and can be set manually per individual tolerance. Cavi and RF 15 minutes. Move the device from the waist side to the belly button, 3 minutes. Do the same on the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button, 3 minutes. Draw big circles around the belly button, 3 minutes. Move back and forth on the waist, 3 minutes. When Cavi and RF stops running, a prompting time of 30 seconds will appear, meaning it will enter the 30K Pro interface. Please put Cavi and RF back on the rack and pick up 30K Pro. Remark, rub the gel into the treated part if it is not enough. When the prompting time runs out, it automatically switches to the 30K Pro page, and you just start the operation. Parameters are default and can be set manually per individual tolerance. "30K Pro, 5 minutes. Draw small circles on fatty parts, 5 minutes. When you see this interface, you finish the treatment. Remark, click this icon and enter the 30K Pro page ahead of time, then press the Start button to use it. Clean the treated part. Turn off the machine, clean the handpiece with a wet towel, and wipe the water with a dry towel. The treatment takes 20 minutes. Take it at least 3 times a week. Matters needing attention after treatment. Drink more warm water to facilitate metabolism. You are advised to drink 250 ml to 300 ml of warm water immediately after a session and the same amount 1 hour later and daily. Consume less oil and salt. Eat less but more meals. Avoid high oil, high calorie food. Decrease the intake of carbohydrates but have more protein. Avoid eating and drinking too much, staying up late, or drinking alcohol. Recommended treatment course. Please have the treatment at least 2 times a week. Your waistline is reduced. The flab of the waist and abdomen gets less and less. Striae distensi fade away, and the skin turns tightened 4 weeks later. After 2 months, you can witness doubled outcomes. The intestinal tract becomes unhindered, and the waistline stands out. Better results will show after 3 months.